Welcome. This guide will help you set up your smart Wi-Fi dimmer switch. Install your dimmer switch and make sure it controls your light. Make sure you have downloaded the latest version of the VeSync app. Open the VeSync app. You can choose to sign up for an account or continue as a guest. Signing up saves your information if you ever change phones or reinstall the app. On the home screen, tap the plus symbol to add a new device. Select the Switches category. Select Etekcity dimmer switch. When you're ready, tap Start Setup. If the Wi-Fi indicator is blinking, tap Next. If it's not blinking, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. Select your Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password and tap Connect. You can only connect using a 2.4 GHz network. Tap Go to Wi-Fi settings. Connect to the Wi-Fi network that starts with Etekcity. Then return to the VeSync app. The app will start connecting to your dimmer switch automatically. Connection may take up to 2 minutes. Give your dimmer switch a unique name. You can now control your dimmer switch from the VeSync app. Tap the power button in the app to turn your light off or on. Enjoy your new dimmer switch.